Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily see all the posts you have liked on Facebook. So let's get started. First, open up the Facebook app on your phone. And once you are on Facebook, simply tap on the three lines at the top right corner. And now tap on the gear icon at the top right. And once you are in the settings and privacy menu, you have to simply scroll down until you find the activity log option. And once you find it, tap on it. And here you will see option of your Facebook activity. Simply tap on it. After that, tap on manage comments and reactions. And there you have it. You can now scroll through and see all the posts you have liked on Facebook. You can even tap on any post and unlike it if you want. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.